stay comfortable and supported when you're around the house or going out into town with this silhouette from UGG. This easy slip-on style has a suede leather upper that's pretty durable yet soft, with a 3D printed UGG logo to further encompass its style. It also has some stitch detailing on the collar, and the inner lining has very thick UGG plush wool and a Lyocell to keep it warm and cozy on the inside, with lots of reliable cushioning as well. The footbed in the bottom has the enerG comfort system with some extra arch support, and underneath it has the lightweight Treadlite by UGG design to give you a reliable grip with a little bit of flex.